Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the filter gallery in Photoshop. First, you need to select the layer on which you want to use the filters on. Then, go to Filter and Filter Gallery. Here, you're greeted with 6 types of filters. Each filter has its own options and settings to configure the filter how you want them to look. Let's go through them all. The first type of filters you have is artistic filters. These filters will give your photo a realistic painting effect, and you can select which type of painting you want, some of which include color pencil. So let's go through them all. Color pencil, cutout, dry brush, film grain, fresco, neon glow, paint daubs, palette knife, plastic wrap, poster edges, rough pastels, smudge stick, sponge, underpainting, and watercolor. On the right here, you can see, as I mentioned, that each one of these filters has its own settings. Second type we have is brush strokes. These make your picture seem like it was painted with a brush. The filters which this includes are accented edges, angel strokes, crosshatch, dark strokes, ink outlines, patter, braid strokes, and Sumi E. Third we have is distort. These 3 filters destroy your image in a way to create a glowy and glassy look. We have diffuse glow, glass, and ocean ripple. Fourth is sketch, which, as the title suggests, creates a colorless black and white sketch effect on your image, with the exception of water paper, which has color. So let's quickly go through the rest of these. We have base relief, chalk and charcoal, chrome, Conte crayon, graphic pen, halftone pattern, note paper, photocopy, plaster, reticulation, stamp, and torn edges. Fifth is stylize. There is only one filter here, and it's called glowing edges, which makes the edges of your picture glow in neon colors. Sixth is texture. These effects focus on creating an almost tile-like texture on your picture. We have craquelure, grain, mosaic tiles, patchwork, stained glass, and texturizer. And that's all the effects you have. If you want to put 2 effects at the same time, what you're going to want to do is press the plus down here, and you created a new layer. And then you can select any other filter you want. And if you decide that you don't want the filter you just chose, you can either make it invisible or fully delete it by pressing the trash icon. When you're ready to confirm your settings, press OK. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.